What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. Noble is Global. My name is Noble and currently I am in Dubai, as you can see in the background. You know, the question that I get a lot from friends and colleagues and people that I'm meeting is like, how do you meet people? How are you making friends? How are you building community while you're abroad as a digital nomad? Because it seems very challenging. You're in a foreign location. Like, how do you adjust socially? So I'm going to give you a couple of tips that I use to meet people. Okay, so the first tip that I have, it seems like very basic, it's like very kindergarten, but it works. Just introduce yourself. Like, it's not a big deal. What's your name? Hi, my name is this. This is where I'm from. See if you even vibe just from introducing yourself. Sometimes I've made friends just saying like, hi, my name is Noble, and like with just having great energy. The energy don't lie, the vibes do not lie. So just introduce yourself. That's number one. Number two, you have a particular hobby that you enjoy doing. Like for me, it's singing and dancing. So the first thing I do when I go to a new city is like I'm hitting up an open mic or karaoke or a dance class, and you'll meet people that are just like, okay, like where are you from? It's a more intimate setting. It's kind of like bringing things back to grade school. You know, like that's how we met our friends because we had the same classes. So recreating that around your hobbies is a really organic way to meet people. Okay, number three, proceed with caution. I'm gonna say dating websites. Make sure, of course, that you're meeting in a public location. Like, don't be like, no, we'll meet up, I'll meet in public, and then you get abducted. Okay, that's not what I'm here for. I'm here to tell you that, you know, just going on a platonic date with no expectations and just seeing where things go, you might end up with more friends than not. And people that are interested in you and generally interested in the things that you're doing, you connected for some reason. Whatever that reason is, that's a good place to explore meeting another person, perhaps making friends. Maybe you get there and you'll be like, you know what, I'm not feeling you romantically, maybe it's just a friend vibe, and you still walk away with a friend. So that's what I would recommend. Number four, reach out to your existing network and see if they know anybody in that particular country. That has worked like 9 times out of 10. I've made friends with someone I'm already friends with, like a friend of a friend. Hope I made that clear. So if I'm going to India, I'm like, okay, do you know anybody that's in Delhi, or do you know anybody that's in Jaipur? And what do you know? Someone always knows someone in a city that you're visiting 9 times out of 10. So explore those connections first because they've been vetted. And last, but certainly not least, another way that I've met wonderful like friends and just like people all around the world is really just by taking tours, like by just going on things and adventures that I like to do. So, you know, a hiking trail in Nepal, you're gonna meet people that become your friends there. If you go on a yoga retreat, you're gonna meet people there. If you're going on, I don't know, just going on the bus to Cinque Terre or going on a wine tour, you're gonna meet people there. It just happens. So put yourself in those scenarios. Put yourself out there. Don't be afraid to talk to people. It's okay to be shy, but just be authentic. Just be real. My bonus tip, if you're interested in meeting people, I think that doing some volunteer work is a great way to meet people. Usually their heart is in the right place most of the time if they're volunteering, so they're most likely going to be open to meeting a new friend. So yeah, I know it can be a little bit challenging putting yourself out there, but I think really the key is to just be your authentic self, be original, and to be kind to people wherever you go, and you will make friends and community wherever you go on this earth. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content around being a digital nomad, go ahead and hit the like button and hit the subscribe button as well, as it helps out my channel tremendously. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Take care.